you're wondering, armies, why this smile is plastered on my face, it's because I have pre-ordered B. Yes. I am so happy. My heart, I cannot believe. I was just waiting for them to start shipping in India, and the moment I got that news, I pre-ordered. I had to. Guys, I had to. BTS is the reason. BTS is the reason I got into K-pop. Actually, you guys are the reason. ARMY is the reason that I got into K-pop, because I was asked to, in my other channel, I just reacted to it. I was asked to react to K-pop, and I ended up reacting to BTS, and that's how I fell into this rabbit hole of K-pop, and now I cannot live without K-pop. K-pop is part of my life now. Guys, K-pop is part of my life, and this is me want to own a part of BTS, because they really got me into this genre. After BTS, I started reacting to more and more groups thanks to your suggestions. But of course, them being the first one, they hold a very, very special place in my heart, and they always will. So yes, I'm really happy, and yes, I will do the unboxing video for you guys whenever I receive the album. I cannot wait. I cannot wait, guys. Okay. Yeah, I had to contain my excitement. Okay, fine. Let's talk about today's reaction. Today I will be reacting to... Oh, this is such a great day. Today I will be reacting to Taeyang's Inner Child performance that he did on the Mods 1 concert. This has been also requested like a couple of times, and of course I will react to Inner Child. Of course I will react to Kim Taeyang's song, because you guys know how much I love my deep voice guy. Oh my god, I cannot believe I used to, this is feeling so nice to me. I used to call them pretty boys, and Taeyang was the deep voice guy for me. I remember in Blood, Sweat and Tears I kept calling him deep guy voice. Yeah, I'm weird. Okay, fine. So, yes, my deep voice guy, who is still my favorite vocalist, from BTS and in general, my favorite vocalist till now. Yes, I am really, really excited to see this performance. I know the meaning of the song. I know how emotional this song is. I am planning not to cry, because I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very happy, so I know the happiness is going to curb the emotion of crying. I know that. So yes, without delaying this, let's react to Taeyang's Inner Child. Whew! Okay, and... his voice. There is a kid. Wait, oh my god. I'm sorry, I feel so zoned out. I saw a kid sitting there, right? Wait. Oh yes! Oh my god! Oh my god, Taeyang! Visual attack! Visual attack! Oh my god. Okay. I'm already hyped up because I've ordered B, and now I'm being attacked by so much of great visuals. Okay, I'm bracing myself. Armies. Oh. Ooh, I like his ring. I like his rings. Yeah, I don't need a comforter for myself. When I listen to his voice, it feels like I'm wrapped in a blanket. I want to see that kid. Oh my god. Sorry. You can't do this, Taeyang. You can't do this. You can't show off your smile like that. He's looking at the kid and he's smiling. My heart. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. My energy is like 10 notches higher today because of the excitement. So the reaction is also going to be like Okay. Emotional. Oh my god, Taeyang, stop smiling like that! We gon' change. Visual attack! This is not okay. This is not okay. This is not okay. No, no, no. Why is he doing this? Why is he doing this? Why are you doing this? I'm sorry, you can't look like that. It's not okay. How is this even allowed? How is Big Hit even allowing him to look like this? Do they not care about people like me? Oh my god. I feel attacked from all directions. Oh my gosh. Taeyang, don't do that. Don't do that. You know what his voice is like? I'm sorry. His vocals are like velvet. You know how soft velvet is when you touch a velvet fabric? You know how the feeling? His vocals are like that for me. Every time I listen to him, it's like I'm being touched all over my body by a velvet fabric. Yeah. I'm feeling attacked from all directions, armies! I love his rings, huh? Oh my god! Not okay. Oh my god, the kid! Yes! I want to see the kid! Okay. How is it even possible? How the F did Big Hit find a kid who looks like Taeyang? Okay. Oh my god. It's like I'm looking at Taeyang's, kiddie version. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not even looking at Taeyang right now. I'm looking at the kid. I'm looking at the kid. The kid is so cute. Oh my god. This part is really emotional. Oh my god. He's attacking my heart. My heart is being shredded to pieces. You're my boy, you're my boy, my boy. Oh, who's singing? Who's in the background? I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Taeyang, you can't cry, otherwise I'll cry. Please don't cry. Please don't cry. Please don't cry. Oh my god. Stop crying. Oh my god. Oh, I'm almost all I was on the verge of tears when I saw him cry. Thank God this song ended. Okay, wait, let me stop this. Thank God this song ended, because otherwise, if this song would have extended 1 minute more, I would have cried. The tears almost, they were almost there. Okay, I don't need to talk about the song because I know the meaning of the song. I know. And when he looked up, I think he was remembering his grandmother. I know that he lost his grandmom, and he was very close to his grandmother, and she practically raised him, right? She raised him, so it's a very, very special bond. So I think that's what I felt, that he was looking up and remembering her. So yeah, that sort of made me, and that's why he cried maybe when he remembered her. So oh my God, first this visual attack was not okay. I'm gonna write a complaint letter to Big Hit for attacking me from all directions. This is not okay. Why would you do that to me? Why would you do that? Firstly, his vocals are like velvet fabric. Then his features are like bloody incinerating my heart. And then he cries. And then that beautiful kid is there who looks, I don't know how you found this kid who looks exactly like Kim Taeyang. What are you trying to do? Big Hit. What are you trying to do? This is an official complaint. This video is an official complaint to you guys for attacking me like this. You can't do that. I have a fragile heart, okay? I have a fragile heart. Firstly, already Kim Namjoon has, killed me several times over and over. Now, at this point, I am literally scared to look at Kim Namjoon. I look at any pictures of Kim Namjoon and I avoid looking at it. I can't look at it fully. I cannot stare him into the eye, which is so weird. And now, Taeyang is doing the same. You can't do this. You can't do this. Okay, my God. I'm really blabbering out today. I'm really blabbering today. I feel attacked. I loved it. I loved this performance. I like this song a lot. I love Taeyang's vocals. The addition of the kid was so cool, and I loved when he said, when he stopped the ride and then he was talking to sort of his inner self. I loved that. Whew. I swear, if I wasn't, so jumpy and excited because I pre-ordered the album, I would have cried. I would have automatically cried. I was almost in the verge of tears when I saw Taeyang cry. So yeah. Oh my God. Whew. Taeyang needs to stop. Taeyang just keeps getting more and more good looking with every video that I watch of him. The new ones. All of them. I feel all of them are just, This is my punishment. I feel this is my punishment for not knowing BTS from the beginning. Now I am being punished by, they are serving me all these visual attacks, and I'm getting punished. This is a punishment for me. Yeah. Okay, so armies, that was my weird ass reaction of Kim Taeyang's Inner Child performance in the Moats 1 concert. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not very sure if you did or not, but I hope you did. That's what because editing this is going to be like really embarrassing for me. So yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this reaction. I hope you did. If you are a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Kindly do not judge me based on this one reaction. Please, if you have come here for the first time, look back into the other reactions. I am not this crazy. I swear, I am not this crazy. But yes, I hope you have bared this reaction with me. And yes, I will see you on my next video, hopefully in a little sane manner. Alright guys, bye-bye.